So nearly everything in space runs on solar power, and space demand for solar power continues to grow. We're the only solar cell that can self-heal from radiation damage. We also accomplish that in a flexible, thin, low-mass package at 1/10 the cost. Our number one priority right now is scaling our manufacturing facility here to meet our customer demand. Automation and partnerships with companies like Vention are critical to that because we need companies that are able to think creatively, help us problem solve around this new technology, and really bring these ideas to life.
Celestial mission is to make solar power in space abundant so that people could have enough power for anything they ever want to do in space. In practice, this means that we want to mass produce space-stable solar at 10 times lower cost than the incumbent technology can achieve today.
When we first started, we were building modules completely by hand. So as we start to scale, we need to have robots doing that, automated equipment, moving our product. One of our most recent projects was automating our wet edge hoods. So these are basically fume hoods that have 12 to 16 tanks each. So they're very long pieces of equipment. We had to configure custom actuators, create our own enclosures, and Vention really helped us do that. We spent a lot of time working with the Vention team, looking over designs. We found that it was very intuitive. Having the catalog one click away at all times was very useful. So any sort of motion studies we can accomplish very easily. And it helps us understand kind of our workflow, how our process will look like in the tool, and maybe see what our throughput will look like.
One thing that our team particularly liked about Vention is the ability to simulate the workflow that the tool will be using to actually test the equipment that they designed before it's being built. We need this ecosystem to support us moving forward with our product development.
When I look at ROI, it's not a short-term view, it's a long-term view. It's about, what do you put in today and what's the value you're going to get out in the future. Automation is a really kind of clear winner for us because yes, it might cost some upfront, but if you do it very thoughtfully, the value that you can create through that new capability can way offset the cost of that upfront investment. We have huge ambitions. This facility is designed for 1 megawatt capacity, but we have long-term plans to build a 10 megawatt facility. We just want to be a key enabler to the space industry, and there's so much opportunity out there that we're excited to be a driving force in that.